dig into the bearcat and see what we got here. I'm hoping I can find that one rock again. Ooh, we got some nice looking pieces coming out of that bad biscuits. Oh man. Alright, so we're not unloading the whole thing yet. We're just going, I'm trying to find a specific piece. Alright. Alright, we're gonna get a few of these guys washed off and have a look-see at them. Alright, so we're checking out some of these pieces that came out of that bearcat tumbler here. Oh man, look at that. Still got some of the white scale on the back. And some of these are wet, to be fair, so they're gonna look really shiny. But I got one I dried off here. Let's try this guy off. Let's see how that's looking all dried off. Ooh-wee. Some good looking material there. The white scale is steadily chipping off of it. And the last time I looked at this piece, this is one I've been keeping eyes on. Same with this one here. This one is a beauty. Again, doesn't do much for the inside, but the outside it is steadily. This part, it's worn it down to where it's just, I guess that's about as far as it's gonna go. The rest of it looks great. It's hard to focus my camera on it. The luster's so high. And this guy is cool too. Oh man, super excited. I'm gonna dry this one off real quick and then I'll get showy with it. This one's getting nicely cleaned up. I like it. I could go on for days. Oh, look at that one. Oh man, some really nice dendrites in there. That's a good piece. It's a really good piece there. Ah, I'm gonna drop it too. Oh man. Okay, so the bearcat, I wanted to go into that. We had to upgrade the drive system and the belts. This belt here looks a little bit rough. It's just because it's one of the ones we produced and I wanted to get this thing going immediately. But the actual finished belts, they're gonna look like this guy here. So they're pretty burly, super durable, so you never have to buy another one. Steel core, fiberglass, and all sorts of extras. So anyway, so it's back to the drum again, and then we're gonna get into doing the extras. Probably gonna have to develop a tool for opening the lid coming up here to make it easy for everybody. So we'll get those out to everybody with pre-orders and all of that. So rock on, everybody. Thanks for watching.